So hello guys, for this vlog we will talk about the basic common Excel function. I will teach you how to use sum, average, sum if, count, counta, count blank, and count if. So stay tuned and watch carefully. Good luck. So first I will teach you how to use average function. So just like for example, let's type 100, 500, 400, 200, and 600. So how to use average function? First, let's type equal, then type average, open parentheses, then select the range from 100 to 600, then close parentheses, then after that enter. Matic. The result is 360. The average of all numbers is 360. Another example. Type again equal, then average, open parentheses, select the range, select example 300, comma 300, comma 200, then close parentheses, then enter. So the total average of those numbers is 266.667. Another example, type equal, then average, open parentheses, type 20, comma 40, comma 20, then close parentheses, enter. So the total average of those numbers is 26.667. Another example is, let's type equal, average, open parentheses, then let's type 10, comma 10, comma 20, close parentheses, then that's the total average. Another example, for example, let's type treatment 1, 14, 14, 14, 15. Those numbers are the example of treatment 1. Let's say the gross income of treatment 1 in the sweet corn. Second, treatment 2 is those numbers, so you can skip the videos if you are bored. Then skip. Then let's type equals, average, open parentheses, then select the range from T1 to down, then close parentheses. So the total average of treatment 1 is 13.2. That's the total average of treatment 1. Next is, let's calculate the average of treatment 2. Type equal, then average, open parentheses, select the range of treatment 2, then close parentheses, then enter. So the total average of treatment 2 is 13.4. That's how you use average. Next, we have sum function. Just like for example, let's say again, let's type the different example of our treatment to our sweet corn. So treatment 1 we have 12, second example 12, third example 11, 13, 14. This is random numbers, so we are just only showing the example. So treatment 2 of our sweet corn, let's say first example 12, 13, 14, 15, and 11. Treatment 3 for fish amino acid, let's say first example 11, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So to calculate the total sum of every treatment, this is how you use the Excel function. So to calculate the total sum of every treatment using Excel, just type equals, then sum, open parentheses, then select the range of the numbers you want to calculate the sum, then close parentheses, then enter. Automatically get the answer. Another example, type sum, type equals, then sum, then select the range, close parentheses, then enter. Treatment 3, type equals, then sum, open parentheses, Then click the range from sample 1 to sample 5, then close parenthesis, then enter. You will get the total sum of every treatment. That's how you use the sum function of Excel. You can also say the, for example, type equal, then sum, open parenthesis, then to calculate the total average. So let's proceed. The next function is the sum if. For example, let's calculate the sum if of different treatment, and let's find the if of their sum through looking for the weight. For example, T1, T2, T3, treatment 1, another treatment 2, another treatment 3. Next, then let's put their weight of every treatment, the total weight of our sweet corn for every treatment. So this is just only for assuming the numbers of our sweet corn. So to calculate the sum if of our sweet corn, let's type treatment, then type sum if. To look for the sum of the every treatment, let's type equal, then type sum if. Select the range of the treatment, which is the sum, then type cell number 11. So this is where you get the if function, then select the range. So if you are looking for the sum if of treatment, the treatment 1, that would be automatically put the answer. Second is treatment 2, let's put that treatment 3. Then to calculate automatically the answer, just click the first cell, then expand the range, so it will get automatically the answer 700. So our research is significant because they have the same gross of weight. Another example, type equal, then sum if, open parenthesis, then select the range of the sum, then comma, don't forget the comma, select the treatment you're looking for, then the if. So that would be the weight or the number of the sweet corn. Then that would. Our next function is the count. The count is calculating the all cell that has number. Count can calculate those cells that have letters or words. It only counts those cells that have all numbers. Just like, for example, type equal, then type count, open parenthesis, then select those cells that you want to calculate numbers, then close parenthesis, then click. So all the cells that you click from range is have a 6 cell that has numbers. Another example, let's try it. Type count, then that would be the answer. It can't calculate those cells that has letters or numbers. It only calculate those cells that has numbers only. So like, for example, calculate those all numbers, then the answer would be 9 because we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cells that all have all numbers only. Our next function is count A or counta. Counta calculate all cell that has numbers or letters. Either it will be numbers or letters, it will be countable to counta. So how to use counta? Like, for example, type equals, then type count A or counta, then open parenthesis, then select those cells, expand the range. It will automatically calculate all cell that has numbers or letters. Like, for example, you have C, you have clicked all 12 cells that has letters and numbers, so the result will be 12 because all cells has letters and numbers. Another example, type equal, count A, then select the range, expand range, enter, calculate. Automatically the answer would be 8 because all cells that we click has a numbers and letters. But if you click the blank cell, it will not be countable. So that's the function of counter. Example, select orange, then the result will be 20 because the blank cell is not countable and will be off. Next function is the count blank. Count blank is calculating the all blank cell. It can calculate those cells that has numbers and letters. Only blank cells, just like for example, type equal, type count blank, open parentheses, click the range that you want to calculate those blank cells, then close parentheses. Then the answer would be 2 because the cell that blank is only 2 cell. So that's why our answer is only 2. Next is another example, type equal, then count blank, open parentheses, then select all range that you want to calculate the blank cell. That's what you see for blank cell. Then the result will be 4 because we have only 4 blank cells. That's how you use count blank. Count empty cells.